Hi guys. Well, I made this video for you to show you some of the tools that you can use to create your poster or infographic. So let's start. Well, the first tool that you can use is very simple because it's Office, and I know that you already know PowerPoint and Word, but sometimes you don't have like a template for a good poster. So my suggestion is go to templates.office.com. Yes, templates.office.com. And then in this website, without registration or anything, you just write what you did. For example, I write poster, and then it will show me different options for posters. In PowerPoint, some of them are in Word too. So imagine that I like this one. And I say, oh, I like this poster. I would like to work with it. Well, I can open in the browser and edit in the browser, or I can download it. So I'm going to download it. I will click on download. Then I download the poster on my computer. Yes, I download it. And then I will be able to open it and edit it. So here it is. You can see you have the poster here. Well, it has different versions, as I can see. So imagine that, okay, I like this version and I want to edit it. So, okay, let's edit this version. Well, my poster is not about fashion, so I'm not going to write, I'm going to change fashion for food, for example. So not fashion, food. Yeah, and I'm going to remove this lady and I'm going to include, I don't know, a lemon. So remember that you can use images, for example, from Pixabay. So I can go to Pixabay. Well, sorry that my laptop gets slow because this application to record the screen is a little heavy. You have a Pixabay, so I will write, okay, lemon. Lemon. So I have a lemon. Okay, say, okay, I want to take this one, or I want to take this one. So I open it, right click, copy image, and I can paste it here on my poster. So you can click on paste, and you will have the lemon. And of course you can adapt it. You can adapt the size inside the poster. And of course you already know how to edit things in PowerPoint. So this is just an example of some of the things that you can do just with Office templates. Yes, so basically you download the template and you edit it on your PowerPoint. It's very easy. And you don't need like special skills for this. Yes, so this is an example. Now let's continue with number 2. So option number 2, Canva. Well, if you have Canva, fantastic. If you don't have Canva and you have the opportunity to register with the university email, I suggest registering in Canva Education. So I don't know if everybody can do it or only institutional emails, but if you have the opportunity, do it in education. Why? Because in education you have access to more elements than in the normal plan that everybody has. So I am registered in education. Usually log in with my university account. So I use my university account and I create my poster in Canva. Well, in Canva, you have the opportunity to access different templates, yes? For example, posters, infographics, presentations, videos, a lot of things. So here it's loading. And again, you do the same. You do the same. You write poster. And then you will have different options for posters. You select the one that you prefer and you start adapting this poster according to your needs. So for example, you say, oh, I like this poster. Remember, you can do this in the normal Canva or in Canva Education. The difference is that in Canva Education, you can access more templates than in the normal free account of a Canva, yes? So I open the poster and I can make changes in the text, in the colors, in the elements that you can include, you can remove, you can add. Remember that you can change the template. You can add elements. For example, you can add pictures, backgrounds, icons, lines, graphics. So imagine that I want to add this dog. Look, this dog says Edu. So you don't have access to this dog in a normal account, but you can do it with an Edu account. So I say, okay, let's add this dog, and so on. So that's the idea. At the end, when you finish, you can also add text, upload images, video, sound, yes? And at the end, when you finish, you go here to download, and you can download your poster as an image or as a PDF or even as a video if it's a video. So that's option number 2, Canva. Option number 3, Adobe Spark. So you write spark.adobe.com. In my case, well, I am already registered, but in your case, if you are not registered, you can create your own account. I think you can also register as a student, I'm not sure. And the process is the same. You have posters, you select the poster that you want. So imagine that, okay, I like this poster. So let's use this. Well, in fact, I already have this poster. Yes, but the same, you write poster and then you start to, well, it uploads the poster and you start editing on your page. So now it loaded. You have this. I was already editing this poster, so you can write our article and you can include whatever you need, edit the text, include images, include icons, other design elements, backgrounds, And at the end, you can download it as an image or as a PDF. So similar process, and it's also free. You just need to register, and of course there are some, as usual, I suppose there are some posters that are free and other that are premium. I don't remember very well, but basically you just search poster and you will find the options. Okay. Now option number 4. Option number 4 is called easily. Easel.ly. Same process. You register. You can register with your username, with your university email. The same, you search poster and you will find a lot of options, and it's the same. You choose the option that you prefer. For example, in my case, I had already chosen this option. Same process. You can add images, you can add text, you can edit many things. Make sure that the poster that you choose is not premium. Premium posters have a sticker next to them. Maybe I will show it to you in a second. So again, text, background, you can change templates, charts, videos, graphics, many things. And at the end, when you finish, you can download or save. So you can download it as, well, in this case, as this is not premium, you cannot download. You can just save and share. So you can share, yes, to Facebook as a code, as a template, by email, yes. So the disadvantage is that you cannot download it unless you are premium, and of course you need to pay attention to the options because some of the templates are premium. How can you know if they are premium? Because of the sticker that you will find next to the templates. So you see, well, maybe these ones don't have. You just need to pay attention, okay? Because there are 515 templates that are premium. So you just check the ones that are not premium and everything will be fine. The final tool that I want to show you is called Visme. Again, you can log in with your normal email. The process is the same. The process is, well, I log in with my university mail as usual. And you follow the same process. So you can create, search, poster, and it's pretty much the same. The same as you did. Sorry, you need to create first. So new project. Here you can say, for example, infographics. And the process will be the same. Okay, so those are the basic tools. The other tool is Genially, but I will have to make a new video for that. In this case, just keep in mind the same, pay attention if they are premium or not, but basically you follow the same process as with the other posters, yes. So now it loaded, is the same, and